welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelica, but with a brand new video. As you can see, it's a September we said video. Okay, so we got a lot to do, and always the dirtiest, and only 31 days left. 2 more days that's all. But anyway, the point is we better get this we said. So this we said involve me cleaning my room, cleaning my car, getting myself organized for the next 2 weeks. And so, because you know it's back to school season, so second month need to get on that grind, and whatever need to be clean, just clean. With this list, we said that be just about cleaning and to get rid of old things, to throw away old stuff, and bring in fresh new opportunities and stuff. So right now I'm heading to get rid of everything. So we cleaning everything, done with a lot of things, and just so. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first I want to do the side of it and go outside and clean my car because it's not too hot right now, and plus it's hurricane season, so it can rain at any second. My weather where I live at is bipolar, so with that being said, I want to get out there. Now it's currently 12:07, so I want to get out there, you know, start cleaning up, vacuuming out the car real quick, and hopefully it don't take too long because my stomach is growling and I have not ate yet. So with that being said, let's get out to the car.
Never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But the know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. Grip it up, when I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no realer. Up every picture, up Polaroid. She a tough, you know what. I'm sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take a shit, she nasty. Have a plan with you, be a war.
Hey guys, so my vacuum that I had, the cover that I had, did not work at all. It did a little bit, but it did what I need. So I don't know what's going on with my camera just now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go take it to one of the free vacuums in my house and vacuum up with it. But I got all the trash. What are you doing? I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna go take it to one of the free vacuum, get it vacuumed up real good and stuff. Come back home and do the house. Everything, but I got all the trash up, but it was not bad. I only had 2 trash bags full of trash, but it's pretty much clean, cutter. I had to put the other stuff back, like the stuff for under the hood and stuff, back in the car. They took it out for I be able to vacuum everything here good. But other than that, I'll see you guys when I go to the vacuum.
Original girl, you want a replica. Smooth, even regular, with your free lamp, put it on my cellular.
Hey guys, I am back. I know I probably came back. I thought back on the car yesterday, but when I tell you, I had people came over and I had like family came over, and when I tell you, got so overstimulated, so aggravated to the point I was like, I wanted everybody in my house. I literally had to came back. I like can't. I mentally can't. One of you people better have me have a whole mental relapse in these streets. I'm trying to hang up to the little bit of mental health I have, and so you know with school and everything went on. So it's like, you people are stressing me out. Like, I don't want you here. Please go away. So that's why I didn't even come back. Didn't even do nothing. Fan club got them visit. It took me out. Like, I couldn't even do nothing. I couldn't even clean. Like, I want to get up and film. Couldn't even film. I couldn't do nothing. So you see, earlier today, I did some homework. And so that would do tomorrow. I don't know how we got home do tomorrow is a holiday, but it's done. So those assignments now we're gonna work on this week assignment, but didn't go on that. But I did do the visual board, but I didn't finish it. I got my picture, so I need to do that and stuff. I want to clean, so I'm gonna try to clean up tonight. But I'm not gonna do like a whole full bathroom clean. I can't find out my cleaning products, so I had to buy some more cleaning products. And like my cleaning product that did goulet and disappeared from at home. So you gotta buy some more cleaning products for she be able to clean her bathroom. Like the spray bleach I use. I gotta buy some more of that. So I'm probably not buying some next week. Hope Five Below has some next week. I'm saying that like I can just go to Walmart or the Dollar Tree and get some. But that way I got my other cleaning spray and I love it. I got it for Five Below. So that's why I'm gonna go to Five Below and pray that they had that spray bleach for to get that and the spray and stuff. So, but what I'm gonna do for my bathroom is just sweep the floor, pretty much just sweep it. I'm not gonna mop it, and then gonna sweep it up, vacuum my room and stuff, and try to get organized. But I gotta live out of suitcases somewhat. So, with that being said, it's not really too much I'm gonna be doing. I'm trying to not do too much, but I'm definitely just want to get clean and stuff. So I definitely just want to like sweep the floor and pick up the trash off the floor and stuff like that. Getting my bathroom a little bit organized, like my shelves organized, getting my room organized and stuff like that. And then getting ready for school this week and stuff, since tomorrow the holiday. So I just wanted to do a little thing, just get myself ready for the week to come. And obviously tomorrow is the first day of the month as well as a holiday and stuff. So I really just want to, get prepared, get ready, and just bring in positive energy into the month, because August was one of those months where things happen that you didn't expect for me to happen in my life. So hopefully September is just more open door, more opportunity. It to get better out of here. Continue to hit each and every day from August and stuff, because I'm like, you tell me, I'm like, I'm telling myself, good month, and then 7 unexpected happen with, I'm trying to I don't plan anyway, so, but it's just like when unexpected things happen, and you don't expect it, it's just like, it kind of throws you off from what you already had planned, especially last month I had plans for my YouTube video, I had, especially my back to school video, and so I had plans, do a whole get ready with me for the first day of senior year of college. I had the whole thing that happened. Boom, was doing off. Couldn't even go to school the first week of school. It's just out. You go with this body lady, like she just a fish out of water, better trying to breathe, So and also I need to do my hair, so I might end up doing my hair tonight and stuff, because like I said, tomorrow the holiday, so nothing we're gonna be open. But I want to go grocery shop. Also wanted to go grocery shop in the video. We might do that tomorrow, even though it's the first. I would don't care. Go grocery shop because they said Walmart and Publix are open tomorrow. So and those the two places of shop in Kroger. But I didn't do Kroger this month. I might end up doing Kroger order. Let's see how I feel. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go grocery shop. I'm gonna take you go shopping, but. Yeah, let's just get cleaning and stuff and do my hair, because I'm wearing this because I took my weave that I had. But I had my hair done, but I had to take it out, so I'll probably do wash it real good and then put some mini twists in and stuff and call it that. So let's get on with the cleaning.
What she yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you would see. Straight
this is I'm going to clean this side of the other side of my room because it's been nothing but suitcases and clothes everywhere. Let me show you. Look at that really bright. Like this right here, it look, when I tell you it's suitcases, it look 2 suitcases, a bag of clothes, then I got my ship. So that on there really need to get clean. So I'm going to try to knock that up, trying to get this organized and stuff. Get suitcase, just get this pretty much organized and everything and whatnot. For it looks much better. Because this is the mess going on. And for I need to move because I need a vacuum the floor. So let's go and get this part of the room done with. So my room pretty much clean. My camera about to die, but you see I'm organized my clothes. Like I went to Burlington, but I never did like a haul for or anything like that. But I did get like a bunch of clothes. I wish I did do a haul, but I think I can kind of say do a haul because I really didn't go through all the clothes yet. But anyway, but I got all these clothes, so I'm just gonna put them back in the bag. Tied there with them because these clothes are cute. But some of the clothes I did bought from Burlington and couldn't fit, so I had to take them back. And stuff, but I haven't done that yet. But they got some cute clothes at Burlington. I can tell you that. Burlington got some cute behind clothes. Okay, this is a little about to die on me on wear. I never got my DJ out to wear before, but now I'm gonna just go in the shower because I put my clean. I'm gonna go in the shower and do my hair and stuff. But I won't put my clean. I just need to take the trash out the bed and put the trash out. You want to see that, but pretty much everything pretty much clean, organized the way I want it. So I'm gonna put you on the shower while I get in the shower and start doing working in the natural hair, and I'll come back and show you my process and what I'm going to do to my hair. So I'll talk to you guys in the next clip.
And I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you tonight. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder. There's always times like these when I think of you, and I wonder if you ever think of me. 'Cause everything's so wrong and I don't belong, living in your precious memory.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair, so I'm going to try, I was going to do a separate video for it, but I'm just being lazy. So I'm trying the new product called the Main Choice. Main Choice been out for a long time, but this is the first time me ever trying Main Choice product. And I got the Aphla Balm Repair Oil and stuff, so I'm going to apply this to my hair and stuff because I did my usual styling product, and then I can apply strengthening balm on one of my edges and my nape. So I'm about to add the oil into my hair. Trying to get these balms and stuff. Cause your girl is trying to get her hair straighter and stuff, and her ends and all her hair strands. Trying to prevent, breakage and stuff. And this help with breakage right here. It said repair, cut, diffusion bar, and reduce breakage. It's very lightweight, smells so good. When I say that they smell so good, it smells so good. And so it's like I'm on a tropical island. And so, but I'm gonna be using it because it said you use this like every day. So I'm gonna try to use this every day and see how my hair like this. So since it is a lightweight oil and stuff, and I just try to, repair the bonds in my hair. I didn't do poaching treatment on this stuff, but I still trying to repair the bonds, trying to minimize the amount of breakage I have in my hair, and then keep my hair moisturized, so white and and natural. Say this. But I am about to end the reset because we did everything. We did our visual, we cleaned out the car, we cleaned up the room and stuff. We did our hair. We did some homework and stuff. So wait, why I'm talking about friends in video? Well, we put a go grocery shopping. What I'm talking about? But yeah, my hair is done. It look good, feel amazing. I didn't really try to part or nothing. I just like free parted because I didn't try to make it look neat. That's why like all in my face. But we honestly don't care because like I said, I'm the free party and stuff. They give my hair a little break from the weave and stuff. To be able to keep, do regular maintenance, do the TSA, keeping it moisturized and whatnot like that. And so that's the monitor the hair for my hair and stuff. But I don't want to neglect my hair just by putting the weave back to back. I'm not talking about I don't neglect my hair. My hair, my baby. I love my hair. I want her long, healthy, and strong. So I'm gonna get her a little break for the weave because it's been hurting the weave. I know I've been a lot of attention with that weave on it lately, so I'm trying to give it a break, especially my edges. And I want my hair to go, not break off more than I need to, so yeah. But I see you guys when I go shopping, which is the next clip. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come in and do the outro for my September. We said I probably came back to the grocery, but with Labor Day and then I had class. It's just what it means, Labor Day. All I said it was just meant, but I did want to grocery, but I was trying to get a class, then trying to have a class where I should have left that. It's just what I meant. But hope you had amazing September. Bless your month of September, and hope you enjoyed this video. I know it kind of overplayed, like I said, a lot happened in August. I'm slowly getting it, but also at the same time I'm not there. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.